We back with theater. This man has light up pants. Of course he won't be dancing. At least you can see him at night, because he's wearing all black, but his pants light up. We all got takeover. Block. Construction worker. Got a construction worker on my team. Okay, gave me a construction worker on my team. You know he got clamps. You know the construction worker got clamps. Yeah, my hands on your chest. Like a vest. Come on. What the? We can't get a rebound? Finally! Yes, sir. I like to get carried. The Celtics be Kings. Wearing a Kings jersey. Yes, sir. Pick and roll. Okay. Man, dribbled all over the place and got a layup. He's playing like Houston James Harden. Now, how come my mama mentality bitch ain't... I got my mama mentality, but how come that ain't pop up? Construction worker? Running point? You know he got clamps. He worked for construction. All construction workers got clamps on defense. Oh, you should have laid that up. You had a layup, bro. Brick. Rebound, thank you. This man not passing. He only passing the light up pants. Rightfully so. Okay. Man did a spin for no reason whatsoever. Unnecessary spins. Oh, wrong screen. Hold up. There you go. There you go, construction worker. Dunk it. You dunking yourself, construction worker? Dang! Brick. Oh, what the set a correct screen? Construction workers cannot shoot. We all know it. They're geared for the defense. They're like an Andre Roberson, bro. What did he just do? What just happened? Construction worker! Oh, I almost stole it. All the way. Yes, sir! Right, Giannis, what you teach him? Bro, why is not letting me set a screen properly? Yes, sir. Good defense. I should have. Leaked out. My fault. Can't go out the offensive glass. Yeah, this man ISO on all game. Giannis didn't teach you that. Bango. Yes, sir. I'll get back. Bro, how do they keep on getting all these rebounds? Mascots give them extra weight or something? He picked up his dribble. Oh yeah, oh my goodness. Oh. Supposed to not count. My natural instinct is to go off that offensive rebound. I gotta get used to leaking back, getting back. And I had construction worker on my team, man. You know, construction workers don't play no, you know what I'm saying? They don't got no offense. All they do is clamp people up, play defense like Andre Roberson. So I lost to not count whatsoever. Playing Blake Griffin? Allen Iverson and LeBron with the mask. Allen Iverson is wearing Jordan. I thought he was with Reebok. Same rules, man. Wearing the Christmas LeBrons. Allen Iverson never made a three like that a day in his life. A good cut. Ah! Buzz doesn't count. The witch was distracting me. He did a flip in midair. What you got? Yes, sir. That's right. It's not Halloween no more. All right, all right. I can't go out the offensive glass. That's my natural instinct. Gotta get back. Blake! What are you picking my dribble for? Yes, sir. Just keep on doing that all game. We keep on giving you the ball. LeBron. Nope. Allen Iverson? Why is Allen Iverson playing like Steph Curry? I got it. I got it. Yes, sir. How'd he get in front of me? Let me get it. Let me get it. Dang. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Finally. Oh, he's a troll! This man's a troll, bro. Knock down. Yes, sir. He ain't even green it. LeBron? Of course. Man, I got the Cleveland Cavaliers. He played for the Heat. Let me set a proper screen, please. 2K. I don't know why 2K don't let me not set no screens. Blake, can you shoot it? LeBron? He double teaming him? Bell out! Oh! Nope. Blake? I'm there. Come on. Got it. Oh, we went down by 1. I thought we were down by like 4. I run a pick and roll. I never thrown lob a day in his life. Yes, sir. Oh! Bro, I gotta stop doing that! Dang on, good guy, get back! Always try to go off the offensive rebound. Oh! Our screen. Screens for Blake Griffin, bro. Come on. I say Blake Griffin's not making that. Ow, that hurt. Bro, what happened? Oh, he got blocked. Nope. What? This loss does not count, bro. Blake Griffin was up there doing one-legged shot. He never did a shot like that a day in his life. Allen Iverson is wearing Jordans. He signed with Reebok, and he was playing like Steph Curry. Allen Iverson never thrown a loud day in his life. He never shot a three-pointer off the dribble a day in his life. So his loss does not count.